Hey everyone, I've been working in the background again and I've got another tool onto the Unity Asset Store, so I wanted to share it with you guys. It's another tool that I'm personally using in my development process and I think it's really useful, so I wanted to share it with everyone and see what people thought. So let me show you what it's all about. Braze Tool Belt is an editor extension which allows you to create your own toolbar super easily. It allows you to mark static functions in your application as a Braze tool, which are then populated into the tool belt. Once in the tool belt, all your common actions and processes are just a click away. The tool belt is grouped into tabs to easily categorize and keep track of all your tools. It has support for 3 layout modes. The first, horizontal, which has all of the tool belt tabs across the top of the window. The second, vertical, which has all of the tool belt tabs across the left-hand side of the window. The third, dynamic, will automatically update its layout based on the size of the window. The size of the tools can be controlled to allow you to maximize space in the editor or for tool readability. Tool icons can be specified through an ID system, where tool icons are added to the Braze Tool Belt project settings and looked up by the system. Or tool icons can be loaded in directly from the resources folder. There are lots of customization options available on the project settings page, so you can tweak the tool belt to your liking. Make sure to check out the user guide linked on the Asset Store page. So if you're interested in the tool, then by all means check it out on the Asset Store, and if you have any questions then I'm more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content. Thanks for watching.